Yes. So coming to today class is Advanced Java, right? Advanced Java demo class. We'll go with Advanced Java class. What are topics we are going to discuss? I will tell you the brief introduction about the topics. Okay, so Advanced Java, right? Exactly. Because in Advanced Java, we will talk about the mainly the topics will be okay JDBC, JDBC servlets, right? So the topics we'll discuss in Advanced Java. We'll discuss about the JDBC. We'll discuss servlets. We'll discuss about the JSP, JSTL, and expression language. Guys, this is like Advanced Java syllabus scope. This syllabus. JDBC servlets and JSP and what JSTL, right? Yes, these are 4 points, guys. JDBC full form is what? Java database, okay, connectivity, Java database connectivity. JSP full form is what? Java Java server pages. JSP full form is what? Java server pages, right? Exactly. Because JDBC means Java database connectivity. JSP means what? Java server pages. JSTL. The JSTL full form is what? Java standard tag library is there, and EL full form is what? Expression language, right? Exactly. So Advanced Java, the topic is what? We will discuss about what the topics, tell me. JDBC, servlets, JSP, JSTL, and expression language, right? Yeah, mostly we'll discuss these are the five points are main points, guys. And along with this one, here discuss about the UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies are what we will discuss. UI technologies, guys. UI technologies like JTSC, sorry, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we will look at the login pages and registration pages and okay, login pages and registration pages, updation pages and all. You go for the HTML, CSS, and what? JavaScript, right? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript we will see. And apart from this one, we will discuss about the okay, Advanced Java means these are the topic. We'll discuss about the databases. What are the databases? We'll discuss like MySQL database. We will see MySQL database and what Oracle database, right? Yeah. So mostly my Java application is connecting with what MySQL databases, and my Java application is connecting with what MySQL database and Oracle database, right? MySQL and Oracle database, guys. So Advanced Java syllabus is what? JDBC, servlets, and JSP, JSTL expression language. UI technologies will discuss about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the databases, we will talk about the MySQL database and what? Oracle database, right? Exactly. And coming to the tools, what are the tools we will see? Like the tools like Git tool we will see, and Maven tools we will see. As part of this course, we will see the tools like Git tool and Maven tool we will see. Are you clear now? Yes. So advanced syllabus is what? JDBC, servlets, and JSP, JSTL expression language. UI technologies are what? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Database are what? MySQL and Oracle database. Tools are what? Git and Git and what? Maven, right? Exactly. As for this course, we will see like IDs. What are the IDs we will see here? Eclipse ID. We will do some practicals using Eclipse ID. We will do some practicals using IntelliJ ID. We will do some practicals like VSC ID. VSC full form is what? Visual Studio Code, right? Exactly. You got the point, right? Yeah. So in Advanced Java, mostly we'll discuss about these points. Advanced syllabus means JDBC, servlets, and JSP, JSTL expression language. And UI technologies are what? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Database are what? MySQL and Oracle database. Tools will discuss about Git tool and Maven tool. Eclipse ID we will do like Eclipse ID like IntelliJ. Eclipse ID, IntelliJ, and Visual Studio Code, right? Exactly. So in Advanced Java, we will see these all the parts are fine. Okay, we will see these all the parts, right? Exactly. Along with this, yeah, these are the parts we will see in Advanced Java. You got the point, right? Yeah. This next one is like parts of Java. Tell me how many parts of Java we have generally. Actually, do you know CoreJava, right? Basics of CoreJava. Do we know basics of CoreJava? Yes, good. Yeah, if you know basics of CoreJava, then we'll be fine. Then parts of Java. What are the parts of Java generally we have? There are 3 parts of Java we have. What are 3 parts? Tell me. One is a JTSC. JTSC. Second is what? JDEE. Third one is what? JTMA, right? Java to standard edition, Java to enterprise edition, Java to micro edition, right? How many parts of Java total we have? 3 parts, right? Yeah. Basically, how many parts of Java we have? Total 3 parts of Java. One is like Java to standard edition. Java to standard edition. So second one is what? Java to Java to enterprise edition. So Java to enterprise edition. The third one is what? Java to micro edition, right? So Java to which edition here? Micro edition, right? Exactly. There are 3 parts of Java total here. JTSC, Java to standard edition, Java to enterprise edition, JTME, Java to micro edition, right? Exactly. So as we discussed that, is that CoreJava is official term or unofficial term? Is it CoreJava and Advanced Java is official terms or unofficial terms? Only basics of Java we are saying that CoreJava. A bit advanced topics are called Advanced Java, right? Is it CoreJava and Advanced Java is official terms or unofficial terms? Official or unofficial terms means definitely these are what are unofficial terms, right? Good. What you can say like core Java, comma advanced Java or okay unofficial unofficial terms, right? Exactly. Yes, core Java, comma advanced Java are unofficial terms. Okay, as per the Sun Micro Systems standard. Okay, standard. The Java divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So these are the parts, right? Exactly. So I'm saying that here, core Java advanced is official terms or unofficial terms? These are the unofficial terms, right? Okay, then advanced as unofficial terms means where is the JDBC belongs to, Servlets and JSP expression belongs to which part actually, right? That is a question marker. So you said like advanced Java is official term or unofficial term? Advanced Java is unofficial term, right? If it is unofficial terms means then advanced Java belongs to which part? Okay, then tell me what advanced Java belongs to which part now? What are the core Java you completed? The core Java is basically like JTSC part. Okay, core Java belongs to which part here? Core Java belongs to JTSC, right? Exactly. Core Java and JDBC. JDBC is also part of JTSC only. Yeah, JDBC is a part of what? JDBC is a part of JTSC only. Okay. So core Java plus JDBC. These two are the part of what JTSC, right? What are JEE here? If you take the servlets, okay, servlets, comma JSP, comma JST, servlets, comma JST, comma JSTL, and expression language. And these all are like part of which part here? JEE part. It means in advanced Java means you are taking some part of JTSC, nothing but JDBC, right? JDBC is a part of JTSC classes, and you will take some part of what JEE actually. Some part of JEE means what? Servlets and JSP, JSTL, and what? Expression language, right? So advanced Java means you are taking some part of JTSC and what? Some part of JEE, right? Sorry, clear now. JEE means what? Some more parts are there. We have the EJB. EJB is a part of JEE. JPA, part of the JEE. JMS, Java Mailing Services, Messaging Services, part of the JEE, right? So these all are like part of JEE concepts, guys. Java to micro edition is for the mobile application development. Okay, no worries about the JTME, leave it. As a Java developer, just we need to focus on the JTSC and what? JEE, right? JTSC and what? JEE, right? Exactly. So we understood that advanced Java means what is the syllabus you are going to discuss? Advanced Java means we'll discuss about the JDBC, servlets, JSP, JSTL, expression language. And these all are part like out of these 5 parts, first part is belongs to which part? Out of these 5 parts, first part is belongs to which part? First part is belongs, JDBC is belongs to Yeah. So JDBC belongs to which part? JDBC belongs to which part means JTSC part, right? JDBC belongs to JTSC part. Servlets and JSP, JSTL expression language. These four are belongs to JW part, right? So advanced Java means what? You are taking some part of JTSC and what? Some part of JW, right? Yes, advanced Java means what? You are taking some part of JTSC and some part of what the JW concept, right? So clear now. What the point? You are taking some part of JTSC and what? Some part of what? JW, right? Is it clear now? Then how many parts of Java? There are three parts of Java: JTSC, JDW, and what? JTME is there. So JDBC is a part of the JTSC. Servlets and JSP, JSL expression language. These are part of the JW, right? Advanced Java means what? You are taking some part of JTSC and some part of JW, right? Exactly. So do you have any questions about this? Ashwini, do you have any questions? Advanced Java syllabus means these are the topic and technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the database we'll discuss about the MySQL. Yeah, the course duration will take the 2 months actually exactly. We'll take the JDBC 20 days, Servlets 20 days, JDBC 20 days, Servlets 20 days, JSP. These three are the same part only. The JSP, JSTL expression language, JSP, JSTL expression language. These three are what the same thing only. This will take like 20 days. So total that course duration like 2 months. So to complete the okay this one okay then you can take the course duration. Course duration is what? 2 months, right? Yeah, course duration is 2 months. Course duration for 2 months, and a complete material I'll share with you. Complete material I'll share with you, and plus complete interview questions. Topic wise, I'll share the interview questions, and assignments. We need to complete the assignments also. Assignments, right? Yeah. Complete material, interview questions, and assignments. And at the end of this course, I'll create one mini. We will develop one project. We will build one real-time project. We will build one real-time project, right? Yeah, as part of Servlets and JSP JST, using these three, we will create one project. Okay, we will build one real-time project. Course duration is how many months? 2 months. Complete material, interview question, assignments. We build up one real-time project. Even interview questions, I will share the CoreJava interview questions also. CoreJava interview questions and materials and everything I'll share with you. Okay, if you want, I will show you the top materials once. So local disk E, yes, data 2, CoreJava folder. These are the CoreJava entry questions are there, assignments are there, CoreJava material are CoreJava entry questions. I will share the CoreJava data, and I will share you the advanced Java data also. If you go for advanced Java folders, JDBC data is there, JDBC example, JSP examples, JSTL example, Servlets example. This is advanced Java complete material. So this complete material I will share with you. Okay, this complete material I'm going to share with you. You got the point, right? Yes. This is advanced Java. It's my photo. Yeah. So you guys servlets examples and login page processing and all. So I'll share this complete material with you. Total how many pages material we have. Just you can check how many pages material is there. 300 pages material it seems. JDBC 100 pages, Servlets 100 pages, JSP 100 pages. Total expected like 300 pages. Yes. You got the point, right? Yeah, I'll share the complete materials and entry questions along. Complete material and entry questions, right? So in advanced Java, syllabus is what? Yeah. Advanced Java syllabus is what? We'll discuss about the these are the topics we'll see. Advanced Java syllabus basically. Yes, can you hear me? Yes, any questions, please? Advanced Java means syllabus copy is what we'll discuss about the JDBC, Servlets, JSP, JSTL, expression language. The advanced Java syllabus basically JDBC, Servlets, and JSP and JSTL and expression language. This is advanced Java syllabus. And UI technologies will discuss about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And databases will discuss about the MySQL and Oracle databases. Tools I'll use like Git tool and Maven tool to push the code and Git and what Maven tools. And ID will discuss Eclipse ID, IntelliJ ID, and what VSC ID. These are the IDs I will do going with this part of this course. And we decided the CoreJava and Advanced Java is not official terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standard, the Java divided into how many parts? CoreJava, Advanced Java are not official terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standard, the Java divided into 3 parts. For the 3 parts, JTSC, JDW, JTME. We decided Advanced Java is not official term. If Advanced Java is not official term means this part belongs to, okay, this parts are belongs to where? This parts are belongs to JDBCs belongs to which part? Tell me what JDBCs belongs to. JDBCs belongs to code like JTSC. The JDBCs belongs to JTSC, Servlets and JSP, JSTL expression language. These 4 belongs to what? JDW concept, right? Yeah, this is called JDBC. Remaining other belongs to what? JDW concept, right? Exactly. Course duration is 2 months. Complete interview questions and assignments will be provided. We will build one Java real-time project, right? Exactly. Are you clear now? Good. So I hope, see, we will start the JDBC classes first. When we start the JDBC means what? My Java application is connecting with what? Database, right? Yes, my Java application is what? Java application is connecting with what? Database. Yes, JDBC. First we will discuss about the JDBC classes. My Java application is connecting with the database, right? Yes. So to run the JDBC applications, to run the JDBC application, how many softwares required? We need how many softwares? We need the 3 softwares, sir. What are 3 softwares? Tell me. We need the 3 softwares, guys, to run the JDBC application. 1, 2, and 3. 3 softwares required. Number 1, okay, to run the JDBC application, required 3 softwares. Number 1, Java required. So in your system, we need to install the Java software. I think Java software is installed, right? Already. I think in your system, Java software is installed, right? Ashwini? Java software is installed or not installed? Yes, sir. Java software is installed, right? Exactly. Second one is what, guys? We need to install like Oracle database. I think in your system, you don't have Oracle database, right? Exactly. The Oracle database. I will show you how to download the Oracle database. The third one is we need to install for Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID, right? Exactly. So to run the JDBC applications, we need how many softwares total here? 3 softwares in your system. Because to run the JDBC application, total how many softwares required? 3 softwares required. What was 3 software? Tell me. So you got the point, right? So JavaScript is already installed. Can I show you how to download the database software? Can I show you how to install a Oracle database? Now, can you please install the software now? What do you say? We will do the installation today or tomorrow. What do you say? So can you please go for the installation now? I will show you the process how to download this one. Okay, so here you can take the Oracle database I need. Yeah. See, Oracle, we have the versions like, Oracle 9a is there, 10G is there, 11G is there, 12C is there, 18C is there, 20C is there, 21C is there. But still the companies are using the 11G and 12C. Okay, 11G and what? 12C, right? Yeah, databases, we have the two versions, right? One is Express Edition, second one is Enterprise Edition, right? Because databases, we have how many versions? Two versions. Express Edition and what? Enterprise Edition, right? Yeah, Express Edition is actually a trial version. Yes, Express Edition means what? A trial version. The logical name is what? XC. The logical name is XC. Enterprise Edition, Enterprise Edition is what? Because enterprise edition means what? License version. License version means what? Logical name is what? Wars here, right? Logical name is wars here. So we have the two versions of Eclipse and Oracle database. One is Express edition. Second one is what? Can I guess? One is Express edition. Second one is what? Enterprise edition, right? Yeah, Express edition and what? Enterprise edition. Express edition means what? Yes, Express edition means what? Trial version. Enterprise edition means what? License version, right? Enterprise edition means what? License version, right? Exactly. So internet we can download Express edition. See guys, Java projects the standard is Oracle database. Java projects with the standard corresponding standard database. Java projects are mostly connecting with what? Oracle database. PHP projects are connecting with what? MySQL database. .NET projects are connecting with what? SQL server. Python projects are connecting with the Postgre and SQL database. Hadoop projects are connecting with MongoDB and Cassandra. So every projects are having their own standard database, right? Java projects for the standard database. Java projects, the standard database is what? Oracle database, right? PHP standard, the standard database is MySQL. .NET SQL Server. Python Postgre and SQLite. Hadoop, Hadoop means what? MongoDB and Cassandra, right? This is a database space. So today, can you please try to go for this downloading process? Just you can go to this downloading process of which database as many. You try to download this database once. So now we will do now. Just open that link once. Once if you open that link, once if you open that link, open this link once. Yeah, once if you open that link, this is the link you will get the open. Yes, it's saying that directly we have the option like download option, right? Oracle 11G Express Edition Windows 64, right? Windows 64, first one, right? Yeah, you can go for the download directly. This is like 32-bit operating system. This is like Linux operating system. Okay, we are going for the Windows like 64, right? Windows 64. So here click on download directly. So after that releases like note, you can see unzip the download and run the. Once if you unzip the download, run the disk one / setup.exe, right? The / what? Setup.exe file is there. It means once if you unzip this download, zip file is downloaded. Once if you unzip the download, setup.exe file, right? Setup.what? Setup.exe file or not? You got the point, right? Setup.what? Setup.what? Exe file, right? Exactly. We need to install setup.exe file, guys. Yeah, setup.exe file, right? Good. See, Ashwini, so if the fees for this course is 5,000, if you complete the fee payment, so that they will share the required session about the today class. Okay, just take and check the video every day and try to do the practicals, Ashwini. You got the point, right? Ashwini, did you open? Are you using mobile or using laptop now? Ashwini, are you using mobile or using laptop? Laptop version. Did you open that site? Did you open that site? Are you able to see this one, right? Sriram, if you want, just you can open that link. I'm sharing in the chat box. Open this link. See, to work with the JDBC classes, we require the softwares like 3 softwares required. For the 3 software, Java software. I think you know already CoreJava, Java software. Second one is Oracle database required. So I think in your system Java software is there. That's what we will focus on the Oracle database now. Oracle database installation. Next one is what? Eclipse ID. 3 softwares required actually. Java software, Oracle database, Eclipse ID, right? Total 3 required, right? Exactly. Are you clear now? So Oracle database like this one you need to open. Yeah. Ashwini, can you click on this download? Downloading started, huh? Downloading started. Wi-Fi problem, huh? Yeah. Murthy, are you using the laptop or using the mobile? Sairam Murthy. Are we using laptop or using mobile?
Mobile.
Okay. Do one thing. Tomorrow, please join the class with the laptop. So that tomorrow you'll install the 3 softwares which require for the JDBC application. What are 3 softwares? Java software, Oracle database, and Eclipse ID. I think in his system Java software is already installed. So tomorrow class when we will meet, everyone log in with the laptop, and you need to go for the Oracle database, and we can go for the Eclipse ID installation tomorrow. Fine, right? Ashwini, just you can connect with some possible network and try to download the Oracle database. I shared the link, right? So to work with Oracle database, this is the link. So you please try to download this database once. Yeah, before come to the next class, tomorrow class at 6:30. Before come to the class, just you can download this file. See, once if you download, you will get the You will get once if you type that URL, this is the file you will get. In this one, first one is a download. Download option is there, right? Directly. 11J Express Edition Windows for the 64-bit. This is download option. Click on this download. Once if you click on this download, then it is asking. See guys, once if I told you, right? Database, how many versions we have? Express Edition and Enterprise Edition, right? Express Edition and Enterprise Edition. Express Edition is trial version. Enterprise Edition is what? A license version, right? Yes, Enterprise Edition means what? License version, right? Yeah. The default username is what? The default. See, Express Edition. The default username is system. If it now I given that I given the link, that link for the Express Edition. It's a trial version. Like Enterprise Edition license version, we have to pay money. That's what does. You better to go for the Express Edition first. Express Edition is there. Enterprise Edition I will tell you later. Default username system. It means while installation of the software, it is asking only enter password and confirm password. It asking just what? Enter password and what? Enter password and what? Confirm password, right? Guys, it will ask just what? Enter password and confirm password. It means what the default username? The default username is what? System is the default username. Password at the time of installation, you can give any password. At the time of installation, you can give any password, but the standard password is what? Manager is the standard password, right? So you got the clarity, right? That's what today, can you please download the software? Be ready with the software. In tomorrow class, what we will see, then I'll show you how to install that software and how to work with the database. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow, please download the software, and tomorrow we'll continue. And if you tomorrow morning, just you can complete the fee payment so that you'll get the a required session about this class and check the required session and download the software. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? And once the fee payment is completed, they will share the required session and CoreJava entry questions also there. CoreJava 600 entry questions are there. They will share the entry questions of CoreJava and Advanced Java also. They will share everything with you. Hmm? Yeah. See, for example, here CoreJava entry questions. If you want to see, yeah, this kind of Java entry questions. In CoreJava and Advanced Java, we will share these entry questions with you. We try to check this all the entry questions. Okay. Once if we complete the fee payment, they'll share all the question papers and all. We will teach you your technologies basics or depth. What is required for the Java developer that I'll teach you, Ashwin. Java developer required how much that I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah, how much we need, we'll discuss. That's the point. Yeah, tomorrow we'll meet.